Origin O-100 dehumidifier with 100 liters per day capacity, suitable for an area of up to 10,000 cubic feet with a high airflow of 1,000 cubic meters per hour. Let's see how it works.
You can press the power key to switch it on. You can press the up and down keys to set the required level of RH percentage at which you want the dehumidifier to function, which you can see on the screen. You can press the purge key to empty the water from the pump reservoir, especially before moving the machine around to avoid any spillage. The filter can be found in the front part of the dehumidifier. You can remove the filter like this in case you need to clean or replace it. And once you are done, reinsert the filter back to its position like this. It comes with a duct for focused drying for particularly wet areas. You can attach an air hose to this duct in order to dry those wet areas quickly and efficiently. The dehumidifier also comes with a set of wheels. Tilt the machine and move it around easily. It also comes with a water pump which can dispense water up to 15 feet. We hope this video was helpful. Please rewatch the video if you could not understand something, and please reach out to us for any questions or queries. Thank you.